If you're running Google PMax or shopping campaigns and your product types are a mess or totally missing, this video is for you. I wrote a Google Ads script that uses AI to optimize your product types into clean, 3-level hierarchies that help you get better targeting, lower CPCs, and higher ROAS, and saves you a lot of time. What it does. This script connects to your Google Sheet with product data, reads your product titles, and uses OpenAI to generate smarter, Google-compliant product types like wireless electronics, audio equipment, wireless headphones, instead of just headphones. It then saves all the optimized product types into a new sheet, ready to use in your Merchant Center or supplemental feed. Let me show how it works and how to set it up in just a few minutes. Go to your Google Merchant Center, download your product feed, open it into a Google Sheet. Rename the tab to Products. Head over to platform.openai.com, create your account or log into your account and generate an API key. Make sure your API key has at least $5 in available credit. Go to Billing section on the OpenAPI platform where you can add a payment method or top up your balance. You don't need a ChatGPT subscription to use the API. Paste your OpenAI API key into any empty cell in a spreadsheet. Then select the cell and enter the named range in the top left part. Name it exactly OpenAI API key. This tells the script where to find your key. Go to Data Named Ranges and verify that you entered named range correctly. For this video, we won't use the full product feed. Instead, we'll copy just the first few rows into a new Google Sheet and use that as our sample. Once you've done that, copy the URL of the new spreadsheet. Now install and run the Google Ads script. Go to your Google Ads account, in fact, any Google Ads account. Click Tools, Scripts, create a new script, paste in the script code. Set the spreadsheet URL. Add the first product category in the script. Hit Preview. When asked for, authorize the script. The script will read your product titles, call the OpenAI API, and write back optimized 3-level product types. You can view them in the spreadsheet in the new tab. Grab the script from the link below or in the description section. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. If you're looking for tailored Google Ads support, book your free strategy session via the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.